Okay, we're talking about horizontal shifts in graphs, and we've decided that if we take f of x equal the absolute value of x plus 5, then the graph of this should be the graph of the absolute value of x shifted to the left by 5 units. So in graphing this, the first step is to sketch the graph of y equals the absolute value of x. And you should remember that from your catalog. And then, to get the graph of y equals the absolute value of x plus 5, just shift everything by 5 units to the left. And this is our graph, y equals the absolute value of x plus 5. And that gives us a sketch of what this graph looks like. For y equals x minus 10 cubed, this is going to be the graph of y equals x cubed shifted to the right by 10 units. So we need the basic graph y equals x cubed here, and then we simply shift everything to the right by 10 units, so it's going to cross the x-axis here at 10. And everything shifts to the right by 10 units. If you want a little more detail, you can see what happens. The point 1, 1 goes to the right by 10 units, so it goes to the point 10, 1. Sorry, that should be on the new graph. And now it is. Okay, so everything here gets shifted horizontally to the right by 10 units. Now this one, we're going to have to draw in steps. So first we draw the graph of y equals the square root of x. That's our basic graph. And then we're going to draw the graph y equals the square root of x plus 2. And that's this one shifted to the left by 2 units. So it's y equals the square root of x plus 2. And then lastly, I'm going to shift it upwards by 3 units. So this point here is 2. I'm going to shift everything upwards by 3 units to get y equals this plus 3. And so that's going to start there. This is the graph of y equals the square root of x plus 2 plus 3. So the point here is the point 2, 3, negative 2, sorry, that's a negative 2 there. Negative 2, 3 is on the graph.